Hi guys, Ethan here and welcome to another episode of Be the Future. Today in this episode, we are going to build a water filter to filter dirty water into clean, drinkable, clear water. Before I start this video, I would like to announce that this video is made possible by Jason. He sponsored this amazing can of activated coconut charcoal powder, which is significantly necessary for building a water filter. To build the water filter, first we will need the activated coconut charcoal powder sponsored by Jason, anything that can possibly cover the opening of the bottle, a plastic water container, some sand, a cup for collecting water, and some gravel. What we're gonna do is that we're gonna layer the charcoal first from the finest to the thickest. So it's gonna go charcoal, white sand, black sand, and gravel. After that, we're gonna plug the opening of the bottle with my cotton ball, place the bottle in the cup, cut off the plastic end of the bottle, and start filtering water. Yeah, got that? Alright. So I just went to the pond and got some dirty water. Here, the moment of truth. Alright. Look at that, it's quickly building up. Now look at that murky water. Alright, so usually this type of filter takes a little bit of time to filter. While we're waiting, I'm gonna talk to you a little bit about our sponsor, Jason.
Made a breakthrough, constructing an issue, absolute zero, innovating hero, made a breakthrough.
Alright, quick update. This water cup is almost full. The water's looking pretty clear, so let's transfer it to another water cup, yeah? Just like that. Alright, so far, update, all the water has been filtered through, and I'm not sure why. The second batch is a little more murky, but I'm still very confident that it is clean water. So there's only one thing left to do to sterilize it. The way I like to do it, just put it in the microwave. Wait for it to boil. Alright, so after sterilizing it, we ended up with this. Now finally celebration time. And by the way, this is Jason, that legendary dude. Alright. That was good. That was pride. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video and
thanks for watching.